No.
Nope.
To the fucking house whenever I fell off up on this mountain. 4. Well, look like the armadillos respawned. So, unfortunate. I didn't check how much they were going to be worth. They move. Okay. Oh, wait, there's some armadillos. Okay, okay, okay. Why are they so fast?
Are they just fast?
Yeah, and they fucking... We're up on top of a fucking mountain. They sprint straight for the cliff. And they don't slow down,
Yeah,
they just jump.
The cassowaries are like that.
They get one of the armadillos. Fuck
I'm
me.
going back.
I'm out of the map.
What happened?
Again.
Did you die?
Yeah, why is that like that? It's a fucking tightrope up at the top that you gotta essentially walk across. I went a little bit fast just trying to sprint there. But it's like a fucking tightrope up there. And if you fall off the one side, you're out of the map. They never said where he found that guy, did he?
Nope.
Wow.
Are you joking?
Comical.
I was about to say, you better not fucking leave, you motherfucker. You see this fish in my hands, and I get up there and he's not there, even though I just saw him and he wasn't moving.
Oh, why is this?
Oh, whoops.
Come on. Ah, I got a shark. Short fin.
Sweet.
Well, there was the 1,000-pound, 2,000-pound, and 3,000-pound.
Oh, did you get a really big shark?
Yeah, almost 5,000 pounds.
That's what-
Okay.
Yeah, that's mine. Popped all 3 of those fucking achievements at once. I got one more fish in the game. Wow, dude, I'm getting shit on.
Ooh.
One hurt.
Starting
I
off
got all the
big.
bad luck out of the way.
Yo, with all those bad rules, it's gotta be.
Holy shit! How big of a fish is that?
Very, very big.
Let me see. Oh my god. We need to get that sold. I told you, I got all the bad luck out of the way.
That's why I went with
That
him
makes up for
first.
everything I lost. He's still making up for everything we lost.
We're losing on every single other fish right now. Oh my god, dude.
Okay, we're starting to run out of room for him to make up for shit. And I know he got 500 points over what he was.
Okay, how about that one?
And that works. We're completely in the green.
Oh, we were definitely still gonna be in the green, but like, That puts us really far in the green now. We're good. We're good. I see the fire of those guys. I'm gonna go over and see if I can get a walrus. Oh my God!
It's such a most random piece of bait.
What? The walrus?
The walrus. The walrus is such a...
I mean, this game's bait is just wild.
It's fun.
Yeah.
I feel like there was a lot more creepy shit happening on the main
I
map.
got a walrus.
Do you not feel the same?
Yeah, there was a lot that was going on.
God damn it!
What?
I didn't get a good win at all. I haven't gotten any.
Okay. I was gonna say, I really hope you didn't die because I did something stupid and I'm not sure if I make it. I made it, but I'm not really sure if I was going to.
Did you steal a walrus?
I stole stuff, but it wasn't a walrus. Oh my God!
What happened?
They're here!
Did you get away?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Oh, they literally are here. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
They're leaving. What the hell happened over here?
I was grabbing my fucking fish off the grill and I got speared.
2 more fish there if you want to grab them. They're done.
Yeah, I was in the process of grabbing them. I got speared. Damn it, I lost the gorilla. Huh? That fish? That fish?
Alright, you grabbing the gorillas?
Yes, I can. As long as they're spawned back. Oh, they're doing their ritual down there now.
You want to go get them? Or you want me to go get them?
Doesn't matter. One of us should, though.
I'll go. The gorillas are up there. I
Yep.
left them.
See them. The spiders there passed as well. And if there's a bridge over here to get towards the lighthouse, I might try and go towards it. I can go like somewhere else.
It's just cassowaries and a duck, and I missed the duck. Oh, they killed me.
You're dead?
Almost. I got hit by a spear.
Yeah, that's what happened to me while I was in there. You probably dropped all your bait then.
Oh, did I? Is that what happens?
That's what happened to me.
Yeah, I dropped all of my bait, all my gorillas and everything. Yep, there goes my spider. Yep, all of my shit is over here, and I can't catch it.
Just get them to
My
no
God,
longer
yeah, they
aggro
full
you.
killed me. They full killed me.
Oh shit.
There's a bunch of stuff over there. Just run until they're not aggro. I guess it was my turn to die.
Yep. The fish.
That giant ass fish.
Oh man. Where's my shark?
Just sell what you have now, and then look around for it. I didn't think this game was going to be as much fun as this.
Oh, this is where I seen the cat. I didn't really get over here.
I didn't think there was anything in that hut. The fucking spiders, man. Get the shit out of me, too.
No.
Oh, I didn't see him, no. I didn't even. I thought that was a log. And then, like.
So did I, and then it
like, yep.
snored. I don't plan on going all the way up. Unless you want me to.
We just need to see where this guy is.
Oh, really?
Or Jeb is. Or whatever the fuck his name is.
Because we have, I'll go the other way. Apparently I just slide back down that. Should have armadillos here, yeah.
They make the same noise in this game as they do in fucking Green Hell. What is that noise?
I don't know. This is where you get fucked.
Oh yeah, you don't want to fall.
And this, I chase those armadillos. Oh, it's a fucking jump.
Well then. And I keep getting stuck. Because the water's too deep right there.
Oh, hold on. What are we gonna do with this? I don't know what to do with this.
What the what?
Bro forgot to evolve.
Oh. Here, another one.
I just broke my fishing rod.
There we go.
It's fucking huge. What the hell?
What happened?
I glitched my fishing rod on accident. I got it back. Don't worry. It's all fine. But it's fucking hilarious. Oh no. Wait, what? I was thinking I was about to die while trying to reel in a shark.
You know what? I would disagree that the walrus is weird.
You saw that?
Well,
I think that's a thing that
weird
blinded
things weren't
us.
happening.
I lost a
It's not
little.
bad. Yeah, you lost. It's not bad.
This one's the winner, that's why. Oh, he's so
That doesn't
cute.
look like a winner.
He's so cute. Look how small he is.
Playing a dangerous.
100 seconds. Just wait 100 seconds and we'll get the other one. Oh boy.
Let's just sleep and we'll do the quota tomorrow. This is done. They'll still be here, right? Or do you think they'll rot?
I don't know.
I think they rot. I think we'll wait. Why is Saturn there?
I don't know. But it's really fucking close.
Oh, gorilla. Gorilla. And then
Yeah.
dynamite.
I got quite a few girls.
Huh? I went to the supermarket to grab some groceries, and in the hot food section spotted these amazing looking gratin zucchini. I asked the guy to get me a few, and what does he do? He just grabs them with his bare hands. I let it slide. He hands me the tray. I keep shopping. Then I check the price. £7 for 7 zucchini. And I'm like, yeah, no thanks. So here's the moral dilemma. Would you have ditched them on some random shelf or brought them back to the hot food guy? I brought them back. What?
What the hell is going on?
It's a plaque right here.
There's a plaque in there that said that?
Yeah, that's what says that.
I was like, what the fuck are you even looking at?
Where'd you go? Alright, let's go sell
Right
this
down.
shit. This is random
I gotta
plaque.
look at the plaque. I missed the plaque. The fuck is this?
It's on the back of the tree.
Oh shit. So it is. So what would you do?
I don't understand the deeper meaning of it.
I don't know if there is a deeper meaning to zucchini. Oh shit. To the left, to the left.
What? What's wrong?
The time.
It's noon. Is he gonna leave?
He leaves close to like 1. A little bit before 1. That's the shit.
He better not fucking leave. I will lose my shit. You stay there, you bastard. Do not leave. Oh boy. Wow. What do we want off of him?
Wait, this one.
I mean, you
go
might as
in.
well just buy the butcher table. The last rod upgrade.
Well, somehow we have this shark still. I pissed the fish people off. They had a
Bring him over to
walrus.
this bridge. Bring him over to this bridge.
Oh, there's an alligator to the left. Or to the right of it. Oh, Jesus, that hit me. What the fuck?
The walrus! The walrus! I got it.
Dude, there's so much that I had.
The gorillas are over here. The gorillas are over here. I can't pick them up. They run into the water. No. Hold on. I'll try and grab which ones I can.
The crocodile's behind you.
Oh, I got the alligators on me. The alligators on me. No, no, no.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I didn't lose my baits. We're good. Oh my god. Well, these dudes are dead.
Okay, so I got an anteater and 2 gorillas back. Oh, there's another gorilla over there.
Yeah, I have.
Oh my god. Wait. You see that?
I do.
Bait?
I didn't know they had babies. Are you gonna go try and steal a baby?
Do you have inventory for babies?
No.
So do you want to be the bait here? Hey, I got one. I don't know where the other one went. This.
That didn't kill him, did it?
No.
Holy shit!
Okay.
I thought for sure that was gonna work.
It definitely hurt him.
Yeah, but now he's just pissed. And I'm struggling to get away from him.
I see this. I'm struggling to keep up with the dynamite I am holding.
Oh, shit! What was that?
Oh no!
No! Not this guy! Okay, I got away.
The ogre
What's
is
happening?
running away.
Yeah, I just got attacked by that air dive thing.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm following the ogre.
I lost my fishing rod somewhere in the fucking mess of that.
Why can't I light the fuse? Oh god. Oh! I think I found your fishing rod.
You found my fishing rod?
Yeah, out by the ogre. Oh! He killed me.
The ogre killed you.
Yep.
Okay.
I didn't think you would be able to hit me there, but... Okay. Thought that I had enough distance. I guess not.
Fish.
Nice.
Hold on, I'm just catching 2, 3 fish.
If you enjoyed the video, then like and subscribe. If you want to catch me live, follow me on Twitch. I also have a Discord where you can see when I will go live next and when a new video comes out on YouTube. Links to both are in the description.